Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to export your animation as an MP4 in Krita. First, make sure you're using the desktop version of Krita. MP4 export relies on FFmpeg, and it is not supported on Android. Before exporting, confirm that FFmpeg is installed and properly linked inside Krita. If FFmpeg is already set up, open your animation file. Go to File, then Render Animation. In the Render Animation window, tick the Export as Video checkbox. Then select MP4 or MPEG-4 as the container format next to the Render As field. Adjust your resolution and frame range if needed. Then choose where to save the file. Click OK. Wait for the process to finish and your MP4 will be saved to the selected location. If you don't see the MP4 option, double check that FFmpeg is correctly installed and linked, since Krita depends on it for video export. And that's how you export animation as MP4 in Krita. Thanks for watching.